Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So, today we are going to study about money, what money is, where it is used, and what is the currency used in India. So, let's get started. Money is used in the form of coins and notes. Money is used in the form of coins and notes. आपने सिक्के देखे होंगे, coins are सिक्के, and notes जो आप लोग देखते हैं 10 rupee note, 500 rupee note, 2000 rupee note. So money is used in the form of coins and notes. It helps us to buy things. हम लोग कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं money से. It is accepted as payment for goods and services. Suppose we are buying something from the market, we have to pay for that. So money is used to pay the things. It is used for the payment of goods and services. Currency is the money of the country. Currency is different money for different countries. Like in India, rupees and paise is a currency. Rupees और पैसे currency है इंडिया की. नोट्स इज़ द करेंसी इन पेपर फॉर्म. नोट आपने देखा होगा पेपर की फॉर्म में आते हैं, सो दैट इज़ द करेंसी इन पेपर फॉर्म. नाउ व्हाट इज़ करेंसी वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन डिटेल. करेंसी इज़ द टाइप ऑफ मनी यूज्ड इन अ country. Different countries have different currencies, so it is a type of money used in a country. The currency used in India is rupee. जो करेंसी इंडिया में यूज़ होती है दैट इज़ रुपी, एंड द साइन ऑफ रुपी इज़, यू कैन सी विद ब्लैक वन, इट इज़ द साइन ऑफ रुपी. वी यूज़ कॉइन्स टू रिप्रेजेंट मनी. वी यूज़ coins and notes to represent the money. So currency is the money used in a country, and the currency of India is rupee. Okay, now coins and notes used in India, you can see the coins. These are the coins used in India, and these are the notes used in India. 50 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note, 2000 rupee note. So these are coins and notes used in India. Now we must know that there are two sides of a coin, head and tail. Now the number side is called tail. आप लोग ये number side देख सकते हो. Take out the coin and see. जहाँ पे number side लिखा होगा that is called tail, and head side is the other side. Where the photo is drawn, that is called head side. So there are two sides of a coin, head and tail. The number side is called tail, while the other side is called head. Now what you need to do, your homework is, you need to do exercise 15A on page number 150 of your hands-on maths book. Now what you need to do is, first question is, you need to look at the notes and coins below and write their values next to them. And do not forget to use the rupee symbol. You can see the rupee symbol. So the first one is 1 rupee coin, so rupee 1. The other one is 100 rupee note, so rupee 100. The third one is 2 rupee coin, so rupee 2. And fourth one is 500 rupee note, so rupee 500. Now you rest you have to complete by your own. Second question, look at the currency below and match the coins to the notes with the same value. आपको coins दिए, notes दिए. ये वो वाले coins और notes हैं जिनकी value same है. So you need to match them. Okay. You need to do this page and send the photo to your respective class teachers. Thank you everyone.